Starts right up. Got a 350 V8 4-barrel on this thing. That's the code R in the VIN number there. We're in a 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Brougham 2-door. We got the 350 V8, as I said. Assembled in Lansing, Michigan. Oldsmobile division, obviously. We got Atlantis Blue, code 11, with vinyl top, code T. Exterior paint, and then we got a blue cloth interior with the notchback bench seat. Accessory codes. This is where this car gets kind of interesting. We got E, soft ray tinted glass, AM6 split bench. It's a Brougham trim option. 26X is the trim scheduling code for this option. In Cutlass Supreme coupes, 242,000 of these units were made. Now with the 4-barrel V8, that's rarer among that group. I'm sure there's still quite a big handful, but you know, this was a very popular car. There was something like 600,000 of these cars made. The personal luxury type of car was just a big hit for Oldsmobile. This one, 30,000 mile original survivor, seems to be true. I mean, no excessive wear here, no interior wear. Pedals look like they're not worn. Usually your brake pedal shows a lot of wear if you're over 100,000. Motor runs great. No intense wear on the armrest, door handles. The manual crank knobs are still clear, not yellowed. That's impressive. Cracks on the dash, nothing like that. You know, there's just a lot of telltale signs that, you know, really make this a believable 30,000 miles. So I believe it. It's true survivor. Documented Lansing-built car, which is historical just due to the fact that that was Oldsmobile's plant. Blue and white with blue interior, very 1970s, just such a time capsule. Alright, let's go through what works. Alright, we got a horn. Awesome. Headlights, high beams, indicators on, works. Signals. Work great. Tilt. Nice. No telescope option. Wipers. Here's low. Here's high. Awesome. Push into wash. I hear the pump. I know there's fluid in it. Might just take a minute. It's alright. Cruise control is on the dash here. We'll try that on the highway. Rear defog, you hear the relay kick. And the indicator comes on. The heat works wonderfully. I'm on low defrost and I'm warm. Very warm. I'm in a light hoodie. No fan high so you can hear it switch. Vent. Yep. Start blowing some foam out. It's normal. Bi level. We're getting the AC mode. R12 system. We can hear the clutch kicking. Yeah, we're gonna get some foam. That's just what happens. All modes work. Put it back to defrost. Maybe I'll knock it back a few degrees. Radio. Got good sound. It's your bass knob. It's got 3 EQs built into this back knob: bass, music, and voice. Works good. Ashtray. Nice smooth ashtray. Never been smoked in, looks like, or at least never used the lighter. No smells of smoke or anything like that. Day night mode works good. That's my microphone, don't mind that. Mirror on the visor. warning on that. Must have been one of the first couple years for the catalytic converter. You got manual adjust mirror here. You got some books, got some delivery, pre-inspection paperwork. Pretty cool stuff. Like I said, no cracks on the dash. E-brake. That released finally. Just hasn't been used for a while, that's all. Windows work nice and smooth. The weather seals are in awesome shape. This car was definitely indoor stored. Hardly any sun fade, hardly any cracks. If you have any of these kind of cars, you know this stuff gets sun faded and cracked and brittle very easily. I got the drone in the air, so let's do a little U-turn, drive in action, see if it can figure us out. Reverse, drive. There it goes. Our shop did a good bit of R&R on this car to get it back to running condition. It's obviously sitting for a long time in someone's garage. Story goes, the guy inherited it. Had good memories in it, just never wanted to get it back running and driving. Kind of just kept it in his garage up in Minnesota. So we did tires, we did a radiator, we did alternator, fuel pump, carb kit, battery, and I think that's it. I'll have a copy of the documents on the listing, documenting all of our work done to it. A lot of your dealer paperwork in the glove box. There's still a sticker here from the selling dealer. Super cool. Hardly any signs of sun fade. Door panels are in great shape, dash is in great shape, that rear window deck area is in great shape, no peeling, cracking, or anything like that. Cloth is in awesome shape, headliner's not sagging. I mean, this thing was in a heated garage, taken care of. Brakes work good. Car doesn't pull either direction on the brakes or off. Good, comfortable ride. Again, the more you drive these older cars, the more you really understand what this personal luxury style era of car was about. The Lincolns, the Cadillacs, the Oldsmobiles, Buicks, they had it going on. No sputtering, idling, cracks or creaks or bangs with the suspension. Good solid car. We'll get it up in the air too, get some photos underneath. I think we had to do a muffler, but I really don't think it needed much else undercarriage wise. I'll have photos. If you don't see them on the listing, reach out to a salesman, they'll get them from me. Alright, let's kick on our cruise switch. Cruise on, and you set it with the stock here. Touchy horn. Set it with the stock here. So we get over this hill, we'll push the button and see if it works. All the equipment's under the hood. I don't see why it wouldn't. All right, here's 60. It works. All gauges work. We got 1, 2, 3 gauges, and then 4 or 5 indicator lights, parking brake, generator, oil, and a hot light. With cruise control work and this comfortable interior, it's great ride and suspension. It's gonna be hard to beat this car. Defrost that kicks out some good heat, AC that works. Slight patina on the exterior, you know, we got an original paint car here, but top's in great shape. The blue shows awesome. The interior is wonderful. Alright, we're gonna kill it on the dash. Alright, you guys, well, that'll do it on this car. Go ahead and hop on frankmanmotors.com, check it out. If you don't see it there, give us a call. We'll let you know if it's still available or if it's sold. Hop on YouTube too, give us a subscription or subscribe, like, comment, watch another video, share. Anything you do will help our channel. We've got some hats and hoodies online too if you're into that. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.